Now we're
Aren't you
good.
going to tell us again about the 18?
One.
Chubby bunny.
You can't chew it, Dad.
I'm not chewing it. Put it in on the other side of my teeth.
I saw some chewing.
Chubby bunny. Don't make me laugh.
Chewing.
Chubby bunny.
You need to
4.
zoom on this.
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
5.
Chubby bunny.
Well, you're certainly not going to reach 18, are you?
7. He's got 7.
10.
Here, I can do it.
You didn't say chubby bunny.
Yeah, he did.
That's not really it.
Here, I'm doing it now. I told you you'd choke. Okay. 1. You can use your fingers to shove it. Oh, okay. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. I was an autograph from the gross pile. 3. Chubby bunny.
Wait, he's smoking me already.
I know, he is.
Chubby bunny. 5.
3 more. You said it, you're okay. Go to the dining. Try to keep them in your mouth, though.
No, as long as they don't fall out of your mouth.
Before the marshmallows start expanding.
As long as they don't fall out of your mouth.
6. I think you're out.
There's more hanging out than there is.
There. 7. Or is that the 6th one going back?
That's the 7th.
I think your dad's going to beat you by 1.
You can't keep them in your mouth.
7 won't stay in.
Can't hear you say chubby bunny. Come on, get them in the bag and then go wash your hands there, buddy.
7 was his limit.
I started cake. Okay, so Dave's still the champion.
Dave has 8.
5.
Sean had 7. I'm going to beat the record.
9? You're going for 9.
I'm just going to try, okay? We'll see.
Oh, look at the big horse fly.
Chubby bunny.
5.
Chubby bunny.
I got 7.
You're counting?
3.
3. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
5.
5 already?
I think she's got 3 on that side and 2. Was that 6 or 7?
That's
6.
Make it too fast.
Okay, here's where it gets. There's the champions ones.
6.
7.
That's 7.
Yeah, that's going in. 7 going in.
If I Dad, we gotta do this some other time. That was it. That was made me almost getting confused.
You gotta stay in.
I heard it.
I didn't hear you. What?
Fried
How
frog.
much does she have?
7.
7.
That was pathetic.
Shut up, you only did 8.
If I wasn't sick, I would have beat you. The only
My
reason-
cheeks